Good morning, everyone. How are you doing on this beautiful Monday morning? It has been one heck of a last 3 days, guys. I'll tell you what.
Busy, lots of snow, lots of fun.
Not a lot of sleep. So what we got to do is get all of our commercial accounts done, because we actually lucked out a little bit. We only had one commercial that needed plowed during the first 2 days of this storm. But now with the, everything opening back up due to workers coming back after the holidays, we got to get these bad boys taken care of. So let's hop to it, TQ. Let's get some commercial properties plowed out.
Let's go. So this is the first time we've come to this snow event. They weren't open pretty much all week, but they do open back up tomorrow, so we have to get this taken care of. Now this is just straight ice.
Check this out, guys. This drift, no joke, is probably 2.5 to 3 feet tall. Look at that. I'm not even all the way to the bottom. It won't allow me to go any deeper. Whew. Look at that. Yeah. That's crazy. A lot of snow. Look at this drift. It's up to my knees about. Let's get that snow blower down, so we're gonna have to clear it all the way from the building.
Okay.
My bad, guys. Knocked you over.
I gotta go clear back by that man door.
Okay. You need to get warm? You want me to do that? Alright, she says she's good. Check out this salt melting this ice and snow away, guys. We really hope you enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun making it. As always, keep plowing, keep salting, keep making money, boys. We'll talk to you later.